Can any of you identify her? Is that a woodpecker? I think it is. It's red. Let me see if I can get closer. Oh, let's see. What are you? There's red and black and white or silver. My eyes aren't where they used to be. Oh, how beautiful. Hello. Oh, there. Where'd you go? There. Good morning. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm no videographer. I'm no photographer. But they are quite beautiful. Have a blessed day to all the grandmothers, to all the grandfathers, to everyone everywhere. God loves you, and this is proof. Proof to me. I love you, God.